I always start with some ground rules, and I make sure everybody that's participating agrees with those. And one of those ground rules needs to be that this tabletop is a safe place. We're here to talk and collaborate and go through this exercise for the benefit of the company. There's no stupid questions. No one's going to be fired because you didn't know, or you challenge a decision or a comment. It's meant to be productive and constructive.
So you've found the people, you know the scenario, you've set the rules. Now I'm guessing you just sort of play the game.
Right. And so you start the tabletop with, and sometimes it's good to provide some statistics or maybe some background information to support the magnitude or the gravity of the exercise. So maybe recent statistics on cyber or whatever that particular threat is. If you're going to invite law enforcement, a lot of times they'll bring those numbers and do a short presentation, which has always been good and interesting. You lay out the ground rules. You describe at a high level what the scenario is going to be. And then you start with step number one. So and so observed this, or this event happened, and it was reported to whoever, who then reviewed it, categorized it, classified it as an incident of whatever priority, and kicks off the incident response.